This is the MTPredictor weekly update, and we'll start actually with this is the Australian dollar and Japanese yen pair, and we've been using this as kind of our giving us a little lead on the S&P since it is highly correlated with that market. And we've got an automatic TS3 that is set up here, and I put the analysis on that. Here's our red reversal bar we can set the trade up off of. Now, as you can see, here's the 50-day moving average here. You've got the 200-day up here, right in this typical wave C resistance area. So we'll see how this one plays out, but I'm kind of expecting we're going to have more consolidation maybe in this area. Obviously if they start closing below the 50-day down here, then you got a better shot at the target down here, 2.8 to 1. On the other hand, if they do come up here and take out the 200-day to the upside, well, we'd be looking for more upside on that. And to take a look and compare to our S&P, you see how similar this is. We've got the TS3 set up here. Again, we're kind of sandwiched between the 200-day up here and the 50-day down here. And I can put the analysis on this trade as well. You see it's got a nice healthy target down here, 6.8 to 1. If you were looking for an intermediate target, we can go to our decision point, select the pivot, this little swing below here. We've got a little intermediate target that you can use. But the interesting thing here is if we use the Elliott wave analysis tools here, I'm just going to click on last on chart, and it gives us this up wave 1 to down to 2, up to 3, down to 4. And we can project with the tools where up wave 5 may be here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to go from here to 1, down to 2, up to 3, down to 4. And here's the first target to the upside. So the wave 5, minimum wave 5 target is up here. And in fact, if I look for a decision point resistance to the upside here, if I use this swing high that we've just had here where the TS3 is, we also have decision point resistance in that area. And that area is right in the 1123 area here. So we'll see if they do take out the 200-day, there's an area of resistance above there where the market could reverse. And if we want to go back to this TS3, this swing high up here, and put a decision point, so it gives us another area of resistance to the upside here. You can see here, actually this pink area here, I'll show you that first, is the typical wave 5 resistance area, and we also have decision point resistance based on this prior swing high back here. And this all starts right around the 1145, 1146 area. So that'll be another area to watch to the upside. And depending on what we see at that time, that may be an area where we get a DP, automatic DP trade. We'll see. And then finally, let's just look at our gold. Get rid of the analysis here first. We had our DP to the short side on gold. We've been talking about that for a while. Came within a few ticks of hitting the target there at 1153 in change, and we've got an automatic TS4 long setup here. So at that point, that coupled with the you see the red high volume spike, that's our indicator that tells us that the sellers in this case may be getting trapped here, and the buyers and the pros may be looking to reverse this. That along with the TS4 setup here, just the ABC pattern. You can see in the minimum wave C support area, if we put the analysis on this, a nice healthy target up there, 11.8 to 1. And that would basically be decision point resistance area off this swing high as well. We can look at that. Yep, right in there. If you want an intermediate target off this lower swing high here, okay, it gives you an intermediate target on this long here. So we'll see now if how this progresses. Again, this will be, well, about in the 1226 area. We'll see how that works out. But as far as the short side trade there at that point, it's best to exit that and then set up the long trade at that point. So anyway, hope that's helpful. Quick update, and we'll do it all again next week.